Hello, colleagues. Today, we will continue our review of the cable-stayed bridge project that I worked on back in 2003. And now, in 2025, I have rendered this project using AI. Let's take a look at the second view of this bridge. I will show you a truly unique project that can undoubtedly be called architectural poetry in stone and metal. I made 6 versions of this angle. AI created different lighting options for the bridge in water, sky and surroundings, and even lightning in the distance behind the clouds. Imagine the setting sun, a cloudy sky, and this stunning bridge, like a frozen wave turning into a sail. Let's take a closer look at this marvel of engineering. The smooth lines of the sail, reaching toward the sky, contrast with the dynamic cable stays, which, like the strings of a giant harp, support this airy structure. And the neon lighting transforms the bridge into a true work of light art. Look how beautifully the lighting is reflected in the water. These shimmering reflections create the illusion that the bridge is actually floating above the water, like a real sail on the sea. And the play of light and shadow on the water's surface adds depth and volume to the composition. In the evening lighting, the project looks especially romantic.
The snow-white structure of the sail contrasts with the darkening sky and the neon lighting of the bridge.
In the distance, lightning flashes through the clouds, adding drama to the scene and emphasizing the contrast between natural forces and human creation. In my opinion, artificial intelligence for visualizing architectural projects creates simply stunning results. For example, in other 3D visualization programs, it would be difficult and time-consuming to create several different lighting options, but AI has created several options for illuminating the bridge. Now it is much more interesting and convenient for the architect and the client to look for new creative ideas to implement. What do you think about this visualization created by AI for architects? In your opinion, did AI succeed in conveying the poetry of the sail image and the beauty of the evening lighting? Share your impressions in the comments. Want to learn how to make such AI architectural visualizations? You too can learn how to make photorealistic AI renders. Leave a comment below the video, and we will send you a link to the training. That concludes our review. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications. There are many more interesting visualizations to come. Until next time.